where we're at. We got most of the flooring out of here, sinks out of here. All right. It's got an old cast iron top sink. I think we may reutilize that, but we have some floor issues here. Looks like we had some insects living in the floor here for a while. So we're gonna clean up the rest of this floor, keep going, and we're probably gonna have to cut out some of this flooring, replace it, and finish it off. All right, let's keep rocking. Time is money. A mess, guys. Look at this. Look what the termites did. They really got into this framing. I had to reframe everything, reframe some of the joists, patch in the plywood here. We tore all that old infested plywood out. As you can see, there it is, the pile of debris right there. And now we are going to patch the floor. There it is, guys. We just patched in, did all the framing work. We put the 3/4 inch plywood down, patched everything. We're going to put a laminate in now, ready to go. Wow, guys, this was a heck of a job. This floor, that whole one wall, as you saw in the photos and the videos, was completely rotted from the termite issue that they had over there. It was mainly on that side by the window. So exterminators coming to finish, exterminating underneath the crawl space, and I got all the rotted wood all there cut out and reframed and structurally fit now, so we can jump around in here. There's the 1/4 inch plywood that I put in. Guys, you're going to need a qualified contractor. This is a pretty big project for a homeowner to take on. Sometimes these things happen. We get into things that we overlook, and here we are. But everything's ready to go for some linoleum flooring, whatever they're going to put in here. But thanks for staying tuned, guys. Please subscribe, like us, tell us what else you guys want to see. Unfortunately, some of these projects are a little bit out of the DIY spectrum, but it can't hurt to watch, right? Have a great day.